Let me start from the beginning when I got love at first sight when I saw you. But then I realized that we're boys, same sex. That was the first taste of the forbidden fruit. In a world of choices where paths divide, I stand in the middle admiring you, between doing what's right and following my heart, a battle within, tearing me apart. Like the forbidden fruit, it's tempting and sweet, but I know my heart wants and desires. Conscience, my echoing loudly, but your voice is the only thing I wanted to hear. I started to court you. I showed you my deepest and sincerest affection. You are confused of what I am doing. A month later, you come with me to taste the temptation, giving me your answer, which was the sweetest yes. The forbidden fruit, a symbol of desire and temptation, a choice that put me and my soul on fire. But you are worth the risk. Following my heart is at its best, for I have been good in my entire life, waiting for a man until I found you, my love. It's worth the risk. The price I pay may not be well to follow my heart, even if I end up in hell. I do not regret anything at all. The fruit I picked was not from fall. The sweetness never fades. The apple from a great tree I already ate. During our monthsary, when we were happy, we found out something that would tear us apart. You proposed to me that we should break up, but the answer is always no. My heart hurt too much from that. I encourage you to keep loving me, even though it's greatly wrong. Because if our love is wrong, then I don't want to be right. But you said we should grown up, as we are grown ups already. At the end, you gave me back the forbidden fruit, leaving me and breaking up with me. I keep convincing you to keep love me, but you want to be a good person unlike me. For many months and days have passed, I still hold the forbidden fruit. You may not the person I will persuade to pick the forbidden fruit, but you will always be my love, even though you're gone. The forbidden fruit.